If you have a driver's license, listen to this. Your car, your truck, your SUV or van will break down, and you'll need parts for it. Here's the part that saves you money. Nueces Auto Parts has the parts you and your car or truck or SUV need to stay on the road. Nueces Auto Parts carries hard-to-find parts at discount prices. Did you hear that? Automotive parts at discount prices at Nueces Auto Parts, 4409 Castoris in Corpus Christi. Nueces Auto Parts is also home for all your brake needs. They can turn your drums and rotors and make sure you stop when you want to, and that is pretty important when you're driving. Nueces Auto Parts is open 7 days a week, so you can get the parts you need when you need them. Oil changes start at $21.95 and brake jobs at just $75. So the next time you start it, park it, or just take it out for a spin, relax and know that Nueces Auto Parts is there when you need them. With Discount Auto Parts, call 814-0006. For more information, 814-0006.